What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I did a couple things to the Prelude and I didn't record it because it had been raining and it was cold as hell, and I just had to do it real fast. So here's some updates on the Prelude. Inside, we installed the Momo hub. The Momo steering wheel with the energy quick release and short hub. Moto shifter, and took the center console off and replaced that square piece with this round piece. Got it from the parts store. So it's a valve cover grommet. And the other thing I did was I replaced one of the broken studs on the front driver's side wheel. Also replaced the passenger door handle, the cylinder key. No more flappy door handle. I also added brand new mud flaps. We replaced the headlights with some depot lights. We replaced the turn signal lights and added fog lights. Got that all wired in today. Also buffed the car, but it rained last night, so we gotta wash it again. But yeah, it's coming along. And there's the owner.